Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Autocad course in the engineering expertise. This is the ninth lecture part 2. In this lecture we will discuss a paste command in a very detail. Don't leave the lecture. This is not a simple paste command. It's a very logical and professional command. I will introduce you with more technicalities in this paste command. You will see it. Let's we start. In the last lecture, ninth lecture, part 1, we discussed about the express tools and how we can draw the text on the arc. We discussed it in a very detail. So now we are having to discuss the paste command. Now let's we start the topic here. You go to edit, you will see the copy and the paste command and their shortcut. Control V for paste, Control C for copy. If you want to take the paste as a block, this is the shortcut, Control plus Shift plus V. So let me now draw the object to copy and paste it. This is the object, we draw it. Now I want to make the copy of it. Use the short key or go to edit, click here. I will use the short key, which is Control C. Then select the object. Select the object, press enter. Now use the for paste command, go to edit, click here or write the Control V. I will type the Control V. Now you can see it's our copy is pasted here. Now you will see this is how you can paste the copy. But here one more option for you. If you want to paste your copy as a block, let me explode this. Let me delete this. Now I will use the explode command X to divide this. This is a polyline, so it is already a single object block. Now I will click explode command, type X. Now select the object, press enter. Now this is divided, so it's not a block anymore. So we use this command here. Go to edit. This is the command when you will paste any object by this short key, Control plus Shift plus V. That object will copy it and will automatically it will be converted to a block. Let me show you. This is not a block. You will see this is not a single polyline also. So let me now copy it. Use the Control C. Select the object. Select this object. Then now press enter. Now Control V. Use short key. Control V here, paste it. No, this is we just paste it. But if you now will paste it as a Control Shift, then press V. Now click it. Now you will see this is automatically generated as a block. It's a block. You can check it. Here I will show you in the. Now here we will also use the block edit command. Let me show you. Take the copy of this block. Take the copy of this block. Use the short command Control C. Take copy, press enter. Then here Control V. I pasted this block here. Now you will see if you will make the changes in the source block, this will also change. Let me change this. Use the block edit command BE. Here you will see this is automatically generated as a block. You can see I have many other blocks in my drawing, but this is the block which is I just pasted Control Shift plus V. The object I pasted it, so it is automatically converted into block, and the block is added in my list here. Now let me use the block edit command BE. So I click this block. Here it's showing the preview. Click OK. Now I want to edit. Edit block window is opened. Now I can edit it here. Let me draw the line here. I will show you. Or I will draw the line. Now I am making the changes in the source block. You will see the copied block will also be changed. So I will draw the circle. Now again here circle. Actually this is the kind of design of the door. Let me use the move command here. M, then press enter. Now I will move it here. Press F8 for ortho off to move it at angle here. Okay, now I edit the block. Let me close this, then save the changes to the block. Now you will see I make the changes in the source block. Other block, copied block is also changed. So let me now show you more options in the paste. Here in the edit you have the paste special option also. This is a very useful option. Let me show you. Let me go to the Excel. I will copy the object and I will paste here. I will show you. No, let me copy the object from the Excel sheet. No, I will just copy this Excel sheet here. I copied it by the Excel sheet. Now I will paste in the AutoCAD. I will show you the special paste option. How much features in it? Let me show you. Go to AutoCAD. Here, go to AutoCAD. You will see now edit. I have this option in the edit paste special. Click here. So now you will see here we have different options to paste it. Here first is if you want to paste the Excel sheet in it, this will paste the Excel sheet. If you want to paste it as a picture, as a meta file, if you want to paste as a picture like a camera or screenshot, this is bitmap. These are different other options. You can see them. If you want to paste as a text also, I will show you now paste as a text. You will see. I will paste it here. Now check it. You will see our Excel sheet is pasted as a text by using this special paste special. Let me show you other option. If you will select it bitmap, this will show you the like a picture of the camera, your Excel sheet here. Let me show you. This is just a picture. You cannot edit it. So this is the option in the special paste. If you want to take the screenshot which you copied it, this is just like a screenshot image. So in the paste we have another option. We have many here actually. I will show you one more option. This is PS. In your AutoCAD, maybe it will be as the name of the Excel sheet. So click here. Okay. Then I will paste it here. Now you will see this is the Excel sheet. When you will double click it, it will be open in the Excel, MS Excel. If you have installed MS Excel in your PC. Here you will see. So I just let me show you this. You double click on the AutoCAD. That Excel sheet was pasted as a TC there, so it is automatically opened in the Excel sheet. So this is how you can use the special paste option in the AutoCAD. Now I will show you a very interesting option in the paste. This is the option in which if you want to paste your object in another drawing or in the other software who read the AutoCAD drawings, you want that software take the original coordinates of your drawing object. So let me show you it. Go to here, just copy it. Use the Control C. Control C. Let me take it. Control C. Control C. Then here click the Control C. Then select this object. Then press Enter. Now go to Window. Here you just need to open a new drawing file. I will open a new drawing file. Just press Ctrl N. I will show you how you can paste your drawing with original coordinates in other drawing. Here I will show you. We are going to open new drawing. Open it. Now you will see I am just entered in new drawing. Here you can see in the window. This was the AutoCAD course drawing on which we were working. Now we are in the new drawing. So let me first set the units here, which is very important if you want to import your drawing in other window with the same coordinates. Must set the units here. I set the units as per that drawing. Now I will go to this option. There I copied it, the object. Now I will paste here. Paste to the original coordinates. Just click it. Now click here. Let me show you. Press here Z, enter, A, enter. So this was the actually it is not showing us. Let me fix it at this bottom. Go to view, then display, then UCS icon. Click here origin. Now it's fixed here. It will not disturb you anymore. Now here see. If you want to check that the coordinates of this drawing and that drawing from where we copied are the same or not, let me show you. We have the short key for it, ID. Here, short key. Click here. Now I will click at this end. You will see these are the coordinates. On the X it's 53, 1, 5, 5, 6, 8 and so on. For Y 2302. Now you will see, let's go to our original drawing where we copied this object. I am going to move our original drawing. Let I move. Now again use the ID command for checking your X and Y coordinates. Now I will show you. Just click. You will see these are the same coordinates on that drawing and in this drawing. So this is how you can paste your object from one drawing to other with the same coordinates. This is very important. So thanks for watching this lecture. Please stay tuned for next.